Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about this $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. What is this booster? How do you get it? Blah, blah, blah for this video. So if you check your digital coupons folder, this should be at the very top. This one is a big, your mileage may vary. I think not everybody will receive it, probably 40% of you, but it's still fantastic when you receive these in your accounts. So the fine print is it's valid from the 16th to the 18th. So you have that window of Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And special shout out and thank you to Becca over on Instagram, Rolling Coupon Moms. She sent me these screenshots this morning because, spoiler alert, I didn't receive it either. So I appreciate her sharing the fine print because I wanted to see the fine print. Some more rules for you guys. Very imperative you pay attention to the details of this. Valid from Thursday, Friday, Saturday only. So the 16th to the 18th. One-time use. So even if it's still living in your digital coupons folder, it is a one and done. And this is the biggest. Your mileage may vary because my account gets it, your account may not, which it's the way that it is. This stacks with both digital and paper, so if you weren't shopping all week, you might get extra super duper savings. For the balance, pay with your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or will mess up your spend booster. First deal that we're going to look at, even if you don't have this booster, we're still going to talk about this deal because it's fantastic. We're going to look at it two different ways. So the first one is with the booster, so make sure that you have this friend loaded, $10 to Walgreens cash when you spend 10. We're going to pick up 3 of the Axe brick deodorants for $5 a pop because there's a bunch of rebates that are accompanying this guy. That's why I'm like, go and get this specific deodorant. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include a 4 off a 2, so please make sure you have that one loaded along with a $2 off. So that's $6 off right off the bat, guys, for this deodorant. So that is something called not too shabby. So I'm loving that. Now, the rebates that are new for this offer, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there's $1.50 back that you can do up to 5 times. So you're getting $4.50 back for the purchase of this deodorant. So that is quite fantastic. And remember, Fetch Rewards is giving back $1 for the first 3. So you're going to get $3 back as well. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 3 of these deodorants, they're on sale this week for $5 a pop. That's 15. Subtracting your digital coupons and have your booster loaded, you're going to pay $9 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward for buying 3, $4.50 back from IBOTTA, $3 back from the Fetch Rewards app, take a breath, and then $10 in Walgreens cash as you spent your 10. So it makes this offer free plus a $13.50 money maker. Let's remember, as you're using the spend 10, get 10 booster, you cannot use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster. Now, if you did not get that spend 10, get 10 booster, let's look at a deal with no booster, just with the Axe deodorant. Put 3 in a basket for 15, subtracting the $6 of digital manufacturer coupons. You'll pay 9, get back a $5 register reward, $4.50 back from IBOTTA, $3 back from Fetch, making this free plus a $3.50 money maker. Remember, you're doing this with no booster, so yes, you can use Walgreens cash. You do not have a spend 10, get 10 back, so use your Walgreens cash so you're not feeling that 9 out of pocket. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, and this is a controversial one. Make sure you have your best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Now we're going to do the laundry deal again. The laundry deal this week was buy 3 for $5.49 a pop, so it's $16 and some change. Get 2 $5 register rewards. That was used and abused so much that they made it only 1 now. So you're only going to get 1 $5 register reward. So we're going to grab a bag of the pods and the liquid, and we're going to load these 2 digital dollar coupons off. Plus, we're also going to grab a softener for $5.49. And then we have another $1 digital coupon. So if you weren't even doing this deal, this might be an opportunity to get some of this stuff for free, basically. But yeah, unfortunately, guys, the 2 register rewards that we're printing on the weekend, no longer. Anyhow, looking at this deal again, 3 of those products, remember you need to mix and match for $16.47. Have your booster loaded. We have $3 of digitals coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $13.47. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash plus a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $1.53 money maker. As you're using that spend 10, get 10, do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, guys, for this next deal, I'm going to encourage you to do it curbside because this product is so much cheaper as a curbside item. We're going to have our best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. And then to a basket, you're going to load 2 of the L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture Fillers. This lotion is quite spectacular. And even if you were buying it last week, for whatever reason, this digital coupon popped in my account again, so I was able to do the deal twice, but load this 12 off of 2. And that lotion is really nice, especially if you live in a colder climate and it's been a bear of a winter. You know, it's really a bit of a relief for your face. So looking at this deal, again, curbside's cheaper. I think in store it's like $1.50 more for these lotions. 2 of these is I think they're $12.49 around there. So 2 of them is $24.98. Make sure you have your booster loaded. $12 off of 2 digital coming off. You're paying $12.98 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.98 for the 2, or $1.50 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash for this curbside, but it's an opportunity if you've wanted to try this lotion, for $1.50. I don't think it's the worst deal. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at, deal number 4, we're going to need our best friend loaded, which is $10 back when you spend 10. And if you got one, I'm so jealous. I would have loved to have gotten one. I haven't gotten one since I think last summer, so I'm due for one. We're going to grab 3 of the Tresemme shampoos, and they are $6 a pop. We're looking for the cheaper ones. So 3 would be $18 on the nose. We got this really unique digital coupon, which is a 7 off of 3. So make sure that you have that one loaded, because we're going to make some magic happen. So grabbing 3 of these shampoos, that's $18 on the nose. Make sure you have your booster loaded, $10 back when you spend 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $11 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward and $10 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $4 money maker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as this is a spend booster, but an opportunity for some free Tresemme. And I mixed and matched last weekend because I just bought it in store. And guys, I had no issues because before you'd have to buy either 3 shampoos or 3 conditioners, very strict. Not the case. I mixed and matched, and I still got my register reward and all that magic. Now, in case you missed it yesterday, guys, I made a YouTube short, which is a very short video. I will link it here at the very end to get these chips for 2 cents a can. Pringles, Scorchin' Buffalo. The expiry date is next December. So chips for the summer. If somebody likes hot stuff, this is perfect item. But you might want to check out this short. I will link it right here, and go and love that short as well. I would so appreciate it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.